You need. What's up, y'all? I'm Latanique Sharde I, and today I'm coming to you guys with a hair review for this hair that I have in my head. This hair is from a company called Hermosa hair on Amazon. Now, I received this hair. I have 28, 26, 24, 22, and a 20-inch closure. That's what I got. If you have Amazon and you have even if you just sign up for it, or if you do have Amazon Prime, there are hair vendors who sell hair and ship within 2 days via Amazon Prime. I really didn't have any communication with the vendor because they have a tracking thing via Amazon that lets you know shipped in your area, out for delivery, deliver. Like, it tells you exactly where your hair is at all times. So it's really no point in talking to the vendor. But when the hair arrived, it came in a package. I'm gonna insert a video right now showing you guys exactly how the hair came packaged. Okay, the hair came packaged like that, and the hair did not have any kind of smell to it. I don't get any shedding, like none at all. As far as the hair, everything was great with it. I did co-wash this hair, and there was no like water color change. They didn't like have any dye on the hair. The hair didn't like mess up in any way. After I washed the hair, I blow dried it and straightened it, and it's back like silky how it was when I first took it out of the package. The closure, I love this closure. It does have the little barrier around the closure. If you haven't seen any of my previous videos as far as closures, anything go, I love for closures to have the little barrier around them. I'll insert a video of what I'm talking about. I love when closures have that because it's just like extra protection on what you're sewing, because sometimes they just have the lace with the pieces of where the hair was supposed to go in, an extra lace. I do not like closures like that at all. I made it into a wig, and it's super long. Like, hold on. I am 5'2", and 28 inches hella long on me, but I love long hair. And when I'm sitting down, it's literally on my lap, like sitting on my thighs. So, but yes, it goes past my waist, and yeah, past my waist, way past my waist, front and back. And I haven't had black hair in a while. Like, I haven't had long jet black hair in a long time. I've been doing like curly black hair, but I have in colors, but I have not had long black hair in like a few months. But all in all, I do like this hair. I love that fact that it's like really silky, really flowy. I'm gonna come close. You can see, and it just flows. Like, everything is just one. This is how the ends look. And again, I do have a 28, 26, 24, 22, so it's not super thick at the end. All in all, I do recommend this hair. I recommend this hair company. I recommend buying hair from Amazon for the simple fact that they ship with Prime. And with Prime, you get 2-day shipping. Like, your hair, if you have somewhere to be, like, you need some hair like that, and you don't want to go trying to find someone just to buy anything, Hermosa hair, great quality. Shipping comes in 2 days, whether you have Prime or you just sign up for the 30-day trial. 2-day shipping, and you got hair. Yeah, all in all, everything is wonderful. And if you have any questions about this hair, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely answer the questions that you might have, and I will leave in the description bar the direct link to where you can buy this hair from. with the prime and all that. Blue hair and stuff now, but yes, it look cute like this when my natural baby hair is out. You see the highlight? But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be back with another video.